the remote, you just press boom. YouTube, what's the deal, man? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. As you guys can see by today's title and thumbnail, we have a new mod. Now, as you may have known in a couple videos ago, I got a new tag, a legal tag, a real tag, a state issued tag. So that means this tag here can no longer be on the car. So I ordered us a plate cover that is electronic, that completely blacks out. So that way when it's on there, oh look, you don't see tag. Perfect. But that's gonna be today's install. We're gonna install this license plate bracket onto the car, wire it up, get everything done. I'm gonna show y'all how it's done, but enough of my yapping. Let's go ahead and let's remove this off the car. All right. All right, guys, now this is all freaking removed, dude. Hey, it looks kind of weird, like this. I don't know. Looks weird, but let's go ahead. Let's unpackage the contents. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead, unbox all this stuff and see what's in here. Do I know what I'm doing? Absolutely not. Will we figure it out? Absolutely. I think this mounts up to the car. Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and let's get everything organized. We got that. Comes with the little remote right here. On off, cool. Some screws, I guess. Not sure why. And the relay switch. All right, y'all, so I got everything wired up. Not yet, but I figured out how I'm gonna run the wire. I went and got these small zip ties, and I'm probably gonna run it through a tail light or something. I don't know yet, but yeah, everything's wired up. I did break one clip, this one right here. I'm just gonna push out. I literally broke the freaking head off this thing, but oh well, I got more. So just one down. Now let's get this all buttoned back up, and then I'll show y'all when I'm done. All right, last thing y'all saw was me struggling, but guess what? We did end up getting the plate on. We ran the wire and everything how we needed to. I ran the wire through here, down here, down here. I buttoned everything back up, but I have not wired everything up just yet. So let's go ahead and knock that out and give me like 2 seconds. All right, y'all, it's now time to connect the power. So go ahead. The ground literally just needs to be like a metal screw, so we're gonna ground it here, and then we're gonna ground it on the positive. Boom. These are the input wires, red and black. Goes to this side, pretty sure. Switch. Let's see if it worked. Oh my goodness. Y'all check this out. Oh, it's not black. We did it. Now let's get this all buttoned up and we'll be done. All right, y'all, the plate is on and it is looking freaking beautiful, bro. Like literally beautiful. Hold on, don't forget. Ooh-wee, yes sir. All right, y'all, so the install time was about an hour. I kept taking breaks and doing all this other stuff, but it was about an hour overall. And I scratched up from the other plate, so this is all scratched up on the car. I'm gonna try to get a clay bar, sand it, buff it out, but overall, that looks freaking amazing, bro. It looks so freaking good. I'm very happy with the results. Yeah, let me know what y'all like, or let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. If y'all like this mod or not. Hold on, don't forget the remote. You just press boom. Oh, yes sir. We barely have any gas, 117 miles. So we about to go ahead, fill up on some petroleum because boy, we ain't getting nowhere without no petroleum. So yo, I really gotta put my carbon lip on. I gotta put the side skirts, and I really gotta put the spoiler on. But y'all, like up the video, man. Let's get this video to 250 likes, y'all. 250 likes, not too much I'm asking for. Let's go ahead and like this video up, and I'll put all the carbon back on the following video after this gets 250 likes. The guys did just finish. Let's see how much we're working with. How much it costs?
Get inspiration for new dishes.
$56. $15. Pretty nice. Boom. I ain't get the bad gas out this time, y'all. I just let the bad gas go in. Sorry though. We straight. I'm gonna go in here. I'm going in here to get some chapstick because I don't know if y'all can tell, my lips is crusty. So I might see if they got some chapstick. I also need some water. That way I can be good for the night. Alkaline, yes sir. Let's see if they got some chapstick in here. Buddy, do you have chapstick? Let me see. How much is it?
Let me scan, buddy. $2.99.
$2.99? I don't know. Let me get the other one there. The black one, the original. Oh wait, what's the blue one? Yeah. All right, y'all, we got the water. Oh crap. We got the water and the blue chapstick and the M5. But right now, I gotta get on the road and I gotta head to meet the boys. I am super freaking late. They met up at 6 o'clock. It is currently 7. So I'm already an hour late and I'm about a 30-minute drive. So I'll see y'all when we get up with them. What's the deal, YouTube, man? As y'all can see, we have made it here with the homies. We are missing 1, 2, I think we're missing 3 cars. So we got twin M3s right here. I don't know if y'all knew. We got twin M3s right here. And then when Racky come, he gonna have the M5. Then we got twin M5s. But I don't know what restaurant we at. They all chose this place. We're about to eat in a second. I'm not about to eat because I'm not hungry. So yeah, but they just, I just pulled up. So I'm about to go in, chop it up with the boys. And then after that, I don't know. We'll see what the night brings us. All right, y'all. We picked up some mozzarella sticks. My favorite little snack, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna eat this, and then we are headed to the next address. Over to the right. All right, you want it in manual mode or you want it in automatic? There you go, okay.
I know that part at least.
Go, just press the gas.
Why the fuck this shit ain't moving?
Hey, because it's set up like a different way.
It's a spaceship.
Hey, yes, sir.
You don't be driving a 4-wheel drive sport?
No, you can put it forward. Look.
No, I'm not doing that shit.
You don't want to?
I don't know.
Hey, you gonna slip. Stop! What the fuck?
Now if you were driving...
Hey, I would've had to walk them down and shit. They just hit it like that.
Nope. I'm good. Nope.
Hey, come on, man. Hey, you gotta have fun. Hey, this car fun, bro.
You ain't got no tires or nothing. Nope.
Hey, no, it's like you ain't gonna slip. Hey, hold on. Hey, the tires. It's cold.
Yeah, it's cold. I ain't gonna.
Hey, look, you gotta switch the screen, bro. Hey, that look better.
I ain't gonna hit you.
Hey, like it's a nice car to hit, bro. Like it's fun to drive.
This shit was my dream car for a minute.
Hey, wait, why you like switch up on the M5?
It was too big.
It's not that big though. Like now that you in it, it's not that big.
I never driven one until I was working at Audi, and I realized like I could hit, you know, I could swim like I want to.
Yeah, definitely. It's not that big. People always think it. Now that G90's huge.
Oh well, yeah, that's just a fucking boat.
All right, come on. You gotta give us a show, bro. Just hit it one time. You'll be all right. Traction on, so you're not gonna slip.
Hell no.
Look, come on. Oh! Ah! Oh! Oh! Hey, we good. Hey, come on. Oh, fuck! Oh!
Hey, bro.
Hey, It's all right, bro.
We're gonna take the back way.
Hey, yeah, take the. Hey, yeah, that's a good idea. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, this ain't even no back way.
Hey, where you going, bro? Hey, no, hey.
Oh shit. Hey, bro, turn the damn car.
Hey, it's all right. The tag up and everything. Hey, he ain't gonna pull you over, bro. You'll be all right.
He ain't gonna catch me.
Hey, hold on. Hey. Oh my goodness. Hey, this car is fun, bro.
Yeah, this shit is. I don't need this shit. The exhaust and everything.
Hey, it's like fun though. Like,
Hell yeah, I be making this shit sing the entire time.
hey, you like, and you wasn't even hitting it. Like, you was on it light.
I
Like,
was not hitting it.
and we still like
I
move.
was quick shifting and everything.
Hey, he ain't gonna bother you. You'll be all right.
He's eating his food.
Hey, what you rate it?
This?
Yeah. Like, honest opinion.
You know what? I really want to hit this shit, but I'm not going to. But exhaust alone, I'm giving this shit a 10.
Yeah. On up for the night. But we're missing a car. We're about to get a car in right now, but we're missing a car. As soon as this car gets in, we'll be fine. Realize I ain't really getting on no driving. It's about to take us the street way. What the fuck? Why are you braking like that? Looks like it's about to take us the street way, y'all. Wow, man. I love this freaking car, y'all. This car performs so well day and night. Y'all, I'm having such a good freaking night. I'm about to go ahead, get some tacos and call it a night. Yes, we just ate, but who cares? All I had was mozzarella sticks. Ooh-wee. Oh, look, we got racks flying up. Look at that. Buddy is gone. Buddy is out of there. I ain't really trying to do all that shit. What the hell are they like braking for, bro? You just be braking for no reason. Bro, we got some fast cars out with us, guys. Like, bro, the homies got some fast whips. I wish they all started a YouTube channel, but some people just really don't care to be on camera or do YouTube or any of that, so yeah. It is okay. I guess I'll see y'all though when we get to our next spot. They going crazy back there. Y'all just see headlights coming in and out of traffic. Let's see if we can get a pool. All of us, man. Is it 254? Yep, 254. Let go, baby.